we don't have a very good standardized data lifecycle framework in the government, because in the federal government at least, because every department has the right to design their own data lifecycle, because this involves tools, this involves collection methods and process and methodologies. The point of collection is the Statistics Canada is the one more advanced, because they do census, they do a lot of other surveys, so they are the best in data collection, standardization, the first step, design. When it comes to analysis, we have multiple very good players in the government. The process that all of us need to follow needs to be the same anyway. You need to follow one after another. You need to design your data. What's the purpose of collecting? Do you have the right information? If you don't, how many questions you need? What are how many folds these questions have? And are you asking only what you need to know? You're asking more than you need to know? You're not asking enough? So all of these needs to come from the design. So you need to get together with methodologists, data scientists, project managers, a lot of people really interested and invested in getting to know better the public they're trying to reach and prepare the questions for them, not for us. It's not us needing to know the information, but making them understand the questions that are being asked. If not, they'll provide wrong answers, and they're not wrong. They provide answers according to what they understand. Again, this can go really complicated, but this conversation we need to have from step one, that's design. Next step, analysis. What are the dashboards you normally see? Oh, a lot of colors, images here and there. There's a circle, there's a box, blah, blah. Dashboards are not paintings. We need to stop only presenting colors, but present results. Okay, this is the data. What are the insights I can get? What predictions can you make? Based on the history of this data set that you have been presented, put one dashboard after another. What's the evolution? What connections can you make from one to another? What we learned with it? And what are the predictions? So we see a tendency going A, B, or C direction. So what are these recommendations? And these we called predictive analytics and prescriptive analytics, making recommendations and and foreseeing the future using machine learning, any other processing algorithm. And then finally, we reach the decision making. When it comes to decision making, a big piece of making the right choices is making the right questions. We need to help senior management to feel empowered enough to ask the right questions. Not because they're not technical enough, that they're only gonna cross their arms, sit in the meeting the whole time, do not ask, do not interact. No, learn. So what you're trying to do there, present, I think is on the next slide, is a data governance body. So you help your senior management by leveling up their literacy levels, their data literacy levels. With this, you are empowering them to make the right questions. What do we need in a data science perspective? What information do we as senior management expect to have from the team in order to make data-driven decision-making?